Fuck.
Hey, what is up guys? My name is Visman. Welcome back to my channel. So बहुत दिन हो गया एक ट्यूटोरियल अपलोड नहीं किया था. So here it is. How to enter a site pan in 5 simple steps. So yeah, let's get started. ओके सो ऑटोकैड से एक्सपोर्ट करने के लिए नेम में DWG टू PDF. सो यू वांट PDF आउट. पेपर साइज मैं यहाँ रख रहा हूँ A2 बिकॉज आई वांट इन माई प्लान टू बी इन 500 स्केल. एंड फिट टू पेपर हटा देंगे. सो वी कैन पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ 500 and center the plot so the drawings exactly fit into the A2 paper size. And yeah, that's it, and press OK. Okay, so after importing your plan in Photoshop, जो भी कट वॉल्स है उन पे हम ब्लैक कलर फिल कर देंगे. So for that we gonna use magic wand tool. The shortcut key is W. एंड जो भी कट वॉल है उनको सिंपली हम इस टूल से सिलेक्ट कर लेंगे. पर मेक श्योर योर बेस लेयर दैट इज़ अ प्लान लेयर जो भी ऑटोकैड से निकाला है PDF वो सिलेक्टेड हो. सो या
I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking might have caught the June blues, yeah. I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah. You know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking youth. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk down like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah.
ओके सो स्टेप 3 इज़ टू ऐड टेक्सचर्स टू योर बेस प्लान. सो यहाँ पे जो भी टेक्सचर्स आप यूज़ करो मेक श्योर वो सीमलेस टेक्सचर हो बिकॉज दैट रिपीटेटिव पैटर्न डोंट शो अप और एक सीमलेस टेक्सचर्स दिखे ओवरऑल एक प्लान में. एंड या विद द सेम मेथड with the help of magic wand tool we're gonna select the base plan where we're gonna add textures and then we're gonna mask it out the texture over it. Yeah.
It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, devil's speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith, the 18 just not gonna be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gonna be in vain, too young.
ओके सो यहाँ पे हमने जो भी टेक्सचर यूज़ किया है वो बेसिकली बहुत फ्लैट लग रहा है. सो टू ऐड डेप्थ टू योर टेक्सचर्स वी गोना सिलेक्ट द ग्रास टेक्सचर लेयर एंड प्रेस O on your keyboard. So basically what happens that your texture whenever you brush over your texture it turns to be like this, and yeah, it gives cool effect.
Why you gotta go? I just wanna know now, true now. Cry and get no. Hope you free your soul. I might have caught the June blues, yeah. I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah. You know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking youth. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. walk around like who you, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, devil's speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gon' be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gon' be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go, I just wanna know now, true now. Crying getting old, hope you freed your soul, I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah.